morning, sir.
Very good morning. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Today I will check your homework notebook. Fazan, come here.
Sorry, sir, I forgot to complete my homework.
It is not first time. You always won't do your homework.
Sorry, sir.
Today I will call to your parents.
Please, sir, don't tell to my parents.
When will you complete your homework?
Tomorrow I will complete my homework.
If you not complete means I will call to your parents.
Okay, sir, tomorrow I will complete my homework.
Okay, good.
Thank you, sir.
Go sit there.
Thank you.
Today I will going to tell about a elephant story. The class teacher asked the students name that animal that starts with E. One boy says elephant.
The teacher asked for an animal that beginning with a T. The same boy said to elephant.
Then the teacher sends the boy out of the class for the bad behavior. Then she asks for name that animal that starts with M.
The boy shot from the other side of the wall. Maybe an elephant.
Thank you.